Hi to all. Now we can see the execution of the ALP program in 8085 microprocessor, that is 2 8-bit multiplication. I am giving the input values in a hexacode of operand and opcode. I have entered previously, so I am giving next till the end of the program. So then after entering the code, click reset, go to the exam memory, so give the input values to multiplication. So we have given the in program the first input value in the address location of 8050, that is 5, and next I am giving the value of 06. So then execute, go, then type the given starting address location, then click execute, then it will display E. When it comes E na, your program will execute in a proper way. If any error comes, please check the code twice and twice, so then you can got the error where it has been you have entered the code in a right way or wrong way. If you entered right way, the execution will be in the proper way, otherwise it will show error here. So then reset exam memory, the given input location, that is 5 and 6 multiplied by, that is equal to 1E. We got the 1E. So next we can see the next input value. We can change the input values. I am giving the input value of some value, that is 09. Next 05. Execute, go, 8000. Execute, reset exam memory 8050. I am given 9 and 05. We will get the output of 2D. Reset, then we can see the next value also by trying it. Exam memory 8050. I am giving 0E. Next 02. Execute, go, 8000. Execute, reset exam memory 8050. 0E, 02. Then I get 1C. This is the required output. I hope you got the execution process clearly. Thank you one and all.